last night, specifically what happened with your former tag team partner, Action Andretti. I want to get a response from you.
Nigel, it's fine. It's fine. These things happen, Nigel. Losses happen. Friends get upset. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
Well, I guess that is the official response from Lio Rush.
It's good to see you, Nigel. It's really good to see you. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
Does not look fine to me.
No, you like I said,
Stepped away just in time.
like you said, you never know what Lio Rush you're going to get. All right, let's go to the ring for the next matchup. We got a lot. Oh, wait a minute.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Life is hard in the dog pound.
Last time he does that.
The following trios contest is scheduled for one fall. Introducing first, at a combined weight of 426 pounds, Clark Connors and David Finlay, the Dogs.
As the Dogs
Joining them from Brisbane, Australia, weighing 281 pounds, he is the AEW National Champion, Mark Davis.
Let's take a look now at some of the devastating offense of Mark Davis, taking the national champion from the former champion with a move like this. Time and again, Davis has been almost unstoppable. Jack Perry, the former champion, if he wants to take that title back, is going to need some help.
no doubt, as again, Mark Davis is still the national champion after the win last night. Now he's back with the Dogs. And let's take a look at the